Good day to our viewers and listeners. Welcome to another exciting episode from us at Exness. Myself, Terence Hove, Senior Financial Market Strategist, and my colleague, Commercial Director, Sihle Tuta. And we hope today's episode will indeed give you that edge in your trading business, in your trading experience. And we will be talking about the Exness Web Terminal as a tool for your trading edge. Remember to like, follow, subscribe on all our different socials. Sihle, how are you doing, mate?
Good on you, Terence.
Yeah.
And looking forward to chatting about Exness Web Terminal. Because I was really having a conversation with one of our traders.
Yeah.
And he was telling me about some of the frustrations he has with, the terminal that he's using or the trading platform that he's using.
Right.
With his current broker, which then made me think, how privileged traders who trade within the Exness community have, especially with the trading terminal. But maybe we before we get to discussing the web terminal, what are some of the tools that you think traders need to increase their chances of success?
Yeah.
The actual tools.
Okay.
What are those tools in your opinion?
Yeah, I think the first tool is visibility.
Mm-hmm.
You need to have visibility of the market.
Mm-hmm.
That's what trading is all about.
Yeah.
And traders that have the best visibility, the clearest visibility of what's happening in markets tend to perform better. Because trading ultimately is information.
Yep.
You're trading information. And that's why that term, they coined it, insider trading.
Yeah.
Because what insider trading is the privy to sensitive information while it is still private before it becomes public. So you are able to take a position on that private information, confidential information. It will still become public, but when it becomes public, it's going to have a market effect, right? And your ability to then take that position on that information before it's announced gives you that edge.
Okay.
So that is the wrong kind of visibility that is very much punishable by regulators and globally.
Yeah.
And even
It's an unfair advantage.
Very unfair advantage. And even as professionals, to abstain from that kind of mischievous, market activity, because it's a form of market manipulation.
Okay. So that's one.
That's one.
Okay.
Right? So, but visibility is your biggest friend. Getting information as quick as you can get it legally, publicly, and as able you are to put it together to make sense and trade on it. So visibility. And then the second thing is your ability to execute. So you've got good visibility. You can see dollar rand is going to strengthen or weakness, but where and how do you execute that trade? How do you exercise that view now?
So now the actual buying, position sizing, the selling, and all that stuff.
What does it mean for you? Buy, sell. And buying and selling at the right levels as well, because the South African rand is very much different buying it in South Africa compared to buying it in New York.
Yeah.
Right? But at least you want to buy it more or less where, it is close to the same price levels as possible.
Okay.
Right? So your execution level becomes very important. And what are you executing? Some traders actually don't know what lot sizes they are.
Okay.
They are entering in, and when the account is zapped out, they are not sure why that happened. They fund the account. When they make money, they don't quite conceptualize what that means and their ability to be able to withdraw funds. And it's a real thing that I've had conversations with traders about. So your ability to execute, which means both to buy and to sell. When you've made profits, your ability to withdraw. When you want to deposit, your ability to deposit onto that system, the ease of doing business, that is what that speaks to, your execution. You see an opportunity, oh, wow, I think Rand is going to strengthen. You take your 5,000 Rand. Within 5 minutes, you're already trading that idea. That is what, is the essence of being able to trade well, and is important for you to trade well.
Okay. Let's talk about the Exness Web Terminal or the Exness Trading Terminal,
right?
If you like. What can I do with it exactly as a trader,
right,
that I cannot do with the popular trading platforms? What does it do for me? What features does it have that make my trading more exciting?
Okay.
If you like.
Right.
Chat to me about some of the features it has.
So the great thing about the Exness Web Terminal, it's very accessible. It's in your personal area. So you open your account. If I recall, it needs to be opened under a new updated software package. So you've got your Meta 4, Meta 5. So you need to open it according to the applicable upgraded software. And you choose your leverage and so forth, etc. This is all in your personal area. And then when you click trade, it gives you the option to trade on the web terminal, which means it is a web page that is opened in your browser.
So it's web-based.
It's web-based. So regardless of where you are in the world, which has some exception as well, which are technicalities that can be worked around, but for the most part is you can easily access your trading account and initiate your trading activities by clicking that, web terminal, and then it pops up as a part of a tab on your browser, and the whole system is there. And of course, you need to have a good internet connection. But again, Exness offers another layer of a service, which is our virtual web systems, which allow you to execute more efficiently.
So this means I can be traveling anywhere in the world, right? As long as I have access to a computer, I can just log in to my back office, and I can just go onto the web terminal. I don't have to download each time.
No.
Just like I do with
the
others. You have to download files. And like, for instance, if I'm traveling and I'm sitting in a hotel, let's say in Malaysia, I can just go to the hotel lounge, use their PC, just go online, log into, I'll be able to access the web terminal.
Yes, and your trades are there if you've got open trades. And it is the same wherever you are in the world. People forget that as a trader, familiarity is your friend. That's why your trading environment needs to be consistent, because if psychologically you are trying to manage so many moving parts all the time, it takes away from your trading. But if you opened a trade, maybe it's a long-term trade, you've traveled to Malaysia, and it's quite a long way away from home. You arrive there 24 hours later, you are then more settled at that time. You open your laptop or go to the hotel internet cafe, you log onto your system, everything is the way it was when you set it up in South Africa as it is there. And it just creates a seamless environment. And the good thing about the Exness Web Terminal as well, it tells you about your trade before you trade, what a lot size is, how much your pip value is going to be, the actual amount of money you are trading, because people also don't understand leverage, whether leverage is your friend or your enemy. But the web terminal will tell you that opening one lot size actually means you have opened $150,000 position in the market.
So it actually calculates the position size for you.
It actually calculates the positions, the risk. If you want to take it a step further, if you want to put your take profit and your stop loss, it shows you all of the ratios, what it means, how much you'll make at your take profit, how much you lose at your stop loss. So it helps you trade. And it works for both technical analysts as well as fundamentalists.
Okay.
Including signal seekers.
Oh, okay, interesting. But another question, do I need to have a live account or a funded account before I can use the web terminal?
So you can use the web terminal with your demo account.
Okay.
That is a good thing. So you are still new to trading, you are still shy, you want to learn the ropes, try out some strategies, you can use the demo account, which you can play around with the leverage, get to understand different accounts better, all of that. So you can use it with the demo account and go on to open a live account with it.
So is it free, or do I have to pay a certain fee to access this?
That is the good thing about the Exness Web Terminal. It's all free. It's not a paid subscription like some services, some very powerful charting tools that are out there for you to be able to utilize these powerful charting tools. And they are powerful. You need to pay for that subscription. Yeah. Whereas Exness is built with a significant amount of tools within that charting function of the web terminal that allows you to reasonably do extremely well in terms of your charting.
Okay.
Unless you now want to create some very complex signals and so forth. Yeah. Which again, the product team is always willing to listen to include that.
And what indicators are available on the web terminal? Is it the same like all these other platforms? Can I access the same indicators? And what instruments can I trade using the web terminal?
So all the instruments that we are offering at Exness are available on the web terminal, and it's very easy. It's very intuitive, compared to the other older, more technical type of platforms where you need to go through folders to find instruments, load the instrument, and
drag
all
and
of
drop
drag, drop, and then you don't know whether the screen is 1 hour, 4 hour, or what. The good thing about the Exness, it's like Google. You just type what it is you're looking for, and it shows on the drop down. You click on it, it opens a tab, and you are able to trade on it just like that. So it makes it very seamless, for you to be able to trade.
So for traders who want to try out the Exness Web Terminal, where do they go again?
So go to www.exness.com. If you haven't signed up, you sign up. And then it'll guide you. The setup wizard will guide you on the type of account that also comes under the Exness Web Terminal. And then you follow that setup wizard to get yourself set up. If you're already a client, sign into your personal area, go into your personal area. You see where the trade now button is. It is trade. You click on trade. It will be available on the drop down. Just make sure that you've set up the account the right way for you to be able to access it. You click web terminal and it will open the tab automatically for yourself. Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah. So, well, Sitley, I hope you are going to try it out. I know you are already using it well, as much as I've been. And to our viewers and listeners out there, if you haven't tried out the Exness Web Terminal tool yet, please do so. It's got so many features, great for technical analysts, great for fundamentalists, and those seeking signals. It's all there as well. Reach out to your respective account managers and relationship managers, and they'll be able to guide you through it. As always, it's a pleasure for us to deliver this episode and content to you, our viewers and listeners. Please tune in to our next episodes from Sitley Tuta and myself, Terence Hove. It's bye for now.
Take care for now. Bye-bye.